come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. DeFi bully, NASA Bink hobby. Subscribe to me, me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as my wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy NASA Bink hobby. DeFi bully. We in here the last 10 minutes of AVARICE. Day 3. Yes. It's official, man. Damn, I should have live streamed this because I feel like I just want to talk to somebody. Like, to be honest, I be seeing some YouTubers do these type of things and they don't like, they just have conversation. I'm like, damn, how they do that without actual people there? I mean, I'm doing it right now, to be honest. But anyway, yes, average day 3. So far for the day, the overall deposits is at 3,645 BNB. Okay, we have 2,830 participants, and for the day we have 974 BNB deposited. It look like it's cracking 1,000 every day. A lot of the big dogs out there sniping, waiting for the last 10 minutes. We see I'm just gonna pretty much just do a coverage of this. Shout out to you guys out there that use my link, gave me the 37 bonus. You feel me? AVC, let's get it. All right, now there's a lot of talk out there that this is gonna be the platform of 2022, the one that create the millionaires, and you know we trying to be there for that. So you already know what time it is. Notification bell, NASA, do the damn thing. Head over to that YouTube page. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell. Notification bell, NASA. Marry the like button, please. All right, let's get it. We're not monetized, but we're almost there. All right, boom. I'm going to do a quick deposit. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to just wait till the last 5 minutes. Just document how it's going. Let me see. Can you guys see over here? No. I want to keep that timer going, but I also want you guys to see the buys in real time. Now, this video isn't really like covering too much new information. We're just doing a buy-in before this timer goes down. Just monitoring how everything is moving. I'm going to refresh every now and then. Yep, that jumped up over 20 or about 20 BNB just now. So it's probably going to hit that 1,000 mark. I'm probably going to try to go in within that last 5 minutes. Let's head over to the Telegram really fast. See if there's anything new going on with AVARICE. Okay. Is this today? I believe so. 10 minutes to go. Final time for me to point out 2 things. We only just started marketing. We haven't used a single buyback yet. You know what I mean? Bull. And that's why I'm named DeFi Bully. Okay, you know we got bully in this. Now let's check out the Bullpen Millionaires Telegram group. That's my group. We just talking about the finals. 7 minutes to go. Yes, Mr. Aloha. Shout out Mr. Aloha, yo. Matter of fact, let me get on the flames. That's what I can go. All right, let me stop wasting time before I miss out on my opportunity. So right now it says 991 BNB. 5 minutes, 38 seconds to go. Let me refresh that. Damn. 998. I'm gonna just go ahead and throw in what I threw in yesterday, 0.17, about $50 worth. My first day I threw in 100. I did 50 yesterday. I'm gonna do 50 today. Wait, how much time is left? Let me reject this really fast. I want to get in right at the end, right under 5 minutes. So right now, if you guys are seeing this, it's 5 minutes, 3, 2, 1, boom. All right, It's officially under 5 minutes. Let's see how much this changed. I'm pretty sure it cracked 1,000 in the last 5 minutes. Let's see. Yep. Cracked 1,000 in the last 5 minutes, people. Damn, I think it might actually be more than yesterday. It seemed like the snipers are out. Call of Duty, Modern Warfare, AVARICE, 2022. Shooting down a competition. All right, let me start wasting time. Let me hop in. 0.17 BNB. Enter auction. Enter auction. Let's see if we get more than we did yesterday. Let's see. Okay, successful. Wow. Well, as you guys know, every day the available AVC reduces. Oh, it passed yesterday. People finding out about it. We knew that was gonna happen though. First week, you know, all the hype is gonna be there. Everybody's buying it right now, including me. A little over 3 minutes remaining, people. Okay. Damn, I wish I could play some music. Let me just hit that one more time. Come on, see. You feel come on, see. Cryptocurrency. Come on, see. Defi bully. Nasa Bink hobby. Subscribe to me. Me just bingo. In a crypto. We bingo in crypto. Money as my wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. Yes, yes. Marry that like button. Subscribe. It's notification bell. NASA. You know the vibes. Little over 2 minutes remaining. It's gonna go live. Let's check out. Price of BNB is a little down right now. Refresh this page. Oh, 1,068 BNB total deposits for the day, and it's not over yet. Still 2 minutes remaining. I should have waited. I should have came in just like the snipers. Just so I could, well, actually, to be honest, I wanted to buy in close to what I bought in yesterday so I could like pretty much just monitor it accurately in my own way. See how much less, because there was less available today. Okay. Bought it around the same time, but also more was bought up, and that's what's gonna be split amongst the other days and so forth. Yes, people. I was just cooking. I'm over here trying to, speaking of avarice, every time I look at the name and I'm seeing rice at the end, I was just cooking and steaming some rice, and I'm over here paying attention to this and trying to get this together. Forgot all about the pot on the fire. I'm about to burn the house down, people. The avarice about to make me burn the house down? No. All right, so we're approaching a minute left. Right now we are 1,104 BNB. We passed yesterday. That first day was unmatched though. People wanted to throw the bag in. We know how it go. Oh man, sorry about that, people. Someone's telling me. Shout out Mr. Aloha. He said in my video, I need to turn my notifications off. And that's true. Let me mute all. I mean mute forever till I go back. I can unmute it. All right. Shout out D Dripper. Shout out Mr. Aloha. Did y'all see this play last night? They called a foul on Jaylen Brown. He didn't even touch him.
It's hard to get the ball in the basket area.
Is that a foul to you guys?
Very, very negligible. It's hard.
Come on now. All right, it should be. Let's see. Whoops. I'm opening everything. 20 seconds remaining, people. Sipping on the real vibes. 1,140. My received amount is going down, obviously. All right. Let's go. And it's official. We ended the day with 1,143 BNB. That's 110 more than yesterday. Let's go. The hype is real. They said the marketing didn't even start yet. I'm going to go ahead and stake this one. I'm going to go ahead and collect first. I'm going to begin this stake at about, should I do 30 days or 40 days? I did the first one was 30 days. The one yesterday, I did 300 days. Should I do 60 days? I think I do a 60 day. What do you guys think? Damn, see, I should have been live. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait, what did I just do a while ago? I'm thinking about how long I should put this on. But then again, this video wasn't even for that. This video just to show y'all that timer, that countdown. Matter of fact, I'll do it anyway. I'll go over here to stake. Wait, did I even collect that? Why is it saying? One second, people. Yes, and we back like we never left. Now, they are showing up here, so wait. Wait, let me refresh this. Okay, now let's see how much you want to stake. Day 3, I received 437.1435. 437.14. 437.14. 437.14. And I'm gonna go ahead and stay this one for 60 days. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it for 60. Or should I do another 30? Video is still running. Should I do another 6? No, 30. You know what? We're gonna do good. I'm gonna do a 60-day stake. Yeah, let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Confirm. Let's go, people. Question. Did my referral bonus go into that? I'm not sure. Oh, wow. Let's refresh this. Dun, dun, dun. All right, so for the day, I have 437 staked. The bonus, because of the length of the stake, is 20. All right, 20 AVC. Let's go. So I'm getting paid out already. If anybody, I don't really understand how this referral thing pays out or whatever. I don't really get it. If you guys know, you could put it down below. I'll probably do some research a little after this. Maybe do an update in the comments or something. But or description. Okay, so that was day 3, and let's see what's going on for day 4. And remember, people, I'm not already 13 BNB already in. Remember, people, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm gonna wrap this up. We're just documenting what's going on. As you guys can see, we're mad bullish on this. Join the Telegram group. A lot of people there that helps out and all these other things. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I had a little injury lately, my ears and my sinuses, and I can't even hear out of my left ear right now, people. So it's kind of got me like discombobulated, whatever, however you say it. I'm discombobulated right now. So still trying to do it, still trying to bring out that content. Hit that like button. Let's go. AVARICE to the moon.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.